What's up, guys? Run My Crypto here. Hope you guys are having an amazing Friday morning, Friday midday, Friday night, wherever you guys are at around the world. This video is going to be fully packed with XRP, HBAR, ADA, and a couple other gems that you're just going to have to keep watching in order to find out what I got inside my portfolio, and that I think is going to be a solid 10x across the board. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe, please, just for the smile. Alright, and hope you guys enjoy my content. Hit that bell notification if you guys want to see more videos of me or my info. Alright guys, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, XRP. So I'm gonna basically be jumping on my go-to, my favorite coins. Everybody knows, if you've been watching my videos, that I like to jump into CoinMarketCap to look at all the data for the charts to see where these coins are headed, what direction are they going, what information can I look at that will help me understand more about wanting this coin in my portfolio. Alright, so we're going to dive into XRP as our number one to talk about real quick, and we're going to be real short with these because I got to cover 5 coins that I'm going to be talking about that are sitting in my portfolio that I do believe is going to make a solid 10x gain on every coin that I pick. Now, this is not financial advice, so please don't buy this, please don't sell this, but let this be some information for you guys. Alright, let's get into it. So XRP, so looking at XRP right now on the 7-day, you see that there's been some uptrend. If we go on the daily, you're seeing a little bit of climb. I think last week we're sitting at around, I'll go to the 7-day. So let's look at the 31st. Actually, we'll go to the 28th. We're sitting around 47 cents. Did a little pump to about 52 cents, and we're right here in that consolidation phase where we're just kind of going sideways a little bit, but that's always good. Sideways means healthy for the coin. Plus, to add to that, there is tremendous news coming out for XRP. Looks like that we're getting the positive signs of a settlement to get up out of this lawsuit battle. That will actually kind of push our XRP to a little bit higher spike, I believe. Not only that, we are headed for the Bitcoin halvings coming up. So all these telltale signs, and we had 2 major collapses. So these collapses are indicators that the markets will potentially go up. Historically, looking back, we had 2 major collapses with the FTX, and then we had the Silicon Valley Bank. So these are telltale signs that we will be seeing a big pump in the markets soon. But until then, I recommend that you DCA into some solid projects that can potentially give you some solid gains. Alright, so XRP is one of my favorite, right? Why? Because it's just scaling out. It's been scaling out for many years, and on top of that, it's been going through the lawsuit. So I believe that there's tremendous potential within this coin because of the stability. Going back to 2018, looks like that was our first bull run. Couple collapses back then too, and then 2021 we had like COVID and everything else, and we still got a nice little pump out of that one. So with XRP, potentially, if we could get a settlement, I believe that this thing will reach the all-time high. And in my belief so much, I think we can get into some price discovery, which means that we will blow through this all-time high, maybe doubling it. I think, just to play it safe, I'm going to say double. And I do believe that this will happen within the next year. So I don't think it's going to be when the bull run happens. I think that it's going to be the leader of the bull run. I think it's going to indicate, hey, that the markets are going to pop. This is going to cause a lot of inflow of money into the markets. All right, Looking at our current total market cap for cryptos at 1.1 trillion, still standing pretty strong. If we were under the 1 trillion, if we were under $1 trillion in the total market cap, I'd be pretty skeptical that we're gonna see a bull run soon. But we've been holding pretty strong at that 1.1 trillion dollar total market cap for crypto. All right, so XRP, like I said, going back to its all-time high, sitting at roughly around $3. I do believe we may see this hit an easy $6 by 2025, if not sooner. All right, market cap today is sitting at $26 billion and some change. I always like to say that change. Total volume, $1 billion in total volume. That is insane. That is insane. That's telling you that money is going into this project as we speak. All right. So XRP, my top number one choice. Yeah, I just recommend that you continue to do your research, follow the markets, follow any information that you can to get more detailed, solid, I guess, confidence to jump into XRP as one of your portfolio picks. All right, guys, I'm going to jump into my next coin, HBAR, Hedera HBAR. Now, this is not to be left unknown. I believe that this is the baby brother of XRP and will be just as strong, if not stronger than XRP. But, it's all up to how Hedera wants to run their project, but I do believe it will not sit far behind XRP. Currently sitting at 5 cents today. Obviously, we see a little bit of downtrend, which is always okay because you got your pullback because you want a healthy coin. Pullbacks are good and healthy for good projects. That means that there's money going in, money going out. Creates a steady flow. Steady support for the project. All right, let's go in and look at its all-time high. So back in the 2021 bull run, Hedera looked like it hit about 50 cents. Right now, currently sitting at 5 cents, so that's about a 10x from there. So one thing to point out is the market cap on Hedera is sitting at $1.5 billion. So just putting Hedera at a market cap of 20-some billion, just like XRP, that value is going to go up. Let's see where we could find out where that was. Now, I wouldn't see it. But anyway, so Hedera has tons and tons of stuff coming out. I know that I was looking at some information on Hedera the other day, and the usage of people just utilizing Hedera is growing and growing by the day. This project is pretty popular. Tons of information available. You can go to HBAR's website, see a lot of the scaling that's being done with the project, their ecosystem, and just projects that are being built and utilized on Hedera. All right, so again, you got a 1.5 billion market cap, $19 million, 24-hour volume, and again, this is a solid 10x, easily 10x to get to the all-time high. So this is another one that I think will go into price discovery. My price prediction, I do see this about hitting $1 easily, like without any doubt. However, I am giving a pretty much, I guess I'll throw that out there. I do believe that we will hit our all-time high no matter what coming into this next bull market. Or this next bull run. Circulating supply is about 31 billion. All right, total supply is about 50 billion. So we got about 20 billion tokens that will be purchased roughly by the next bull run. And again, this is my opinion, guys. CoinMarketCap is probably like one of the best outlets to go to get general information on crypto and understand, you know, just the basics of what this coin is. So some potential news articles or whatever that you want to read on that. But I'm here just to just give my opinion on where I think this is gonna go. But easily 10x on this coin, so I suggest that you throw this one in your portfolio if you don't already have it. All right, guys, let's jump into token number 3. Only kidding. Cardano ADA sitting at 37 cents on the day. $12.9 billion market cap, $226 million of volume for the day. Looks like we've been climbing in some upward momentum, right? So that would put us, if we look at the 7-day, it's a pretty stable, right? It's a pretty stable coin. So you got a little pump going from the 35-cent range up to 38 cents, 38. About 38 cents, corrected back down to 36, sitting in a sideways zone. This is what we like to call a sideways or somewhat capitulation. All right. So when this coin trades sideways, that means volume in, volume out, volume in, volume out. Pretty stable though. Looking at its all-time high back in, we'll go as far back as 2018. We had a pump rally. First bull market to $1.17. Second one, we made it up to about $2.85. Right now we're sitting at 30 cents. So again, another easy 10x, right? I do believe this is going to be the year for Cardano in not this year, but 2024, 2025. Next bull run, I do believe this thing will hit a price discovery. It just seems that with all the people jumping into crypto and all the newer investors that are getting really excited about the crypto market, especially those who've been riding the bear market for quite some time, are going to be excited, because I do believe that a lot more money is going to flow in. This all-time market, the current market cap across all cryptos, 1.1 trillion. So see this thing at about maybe 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 billion, 13 billion. It's really going to be a telltale sign of what crypto is really about this coming bull run. I do believe it's going to be a solid bull run, and I think that having Cardano is a safe play with a solid 10x. Remember the dollar cost average. Do what you can do to build your portfolio on a weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly basis. Grow that portfolio. Having your portfolio spread, meaning that you have a little bit spread out amongst a few coins. All right, 5 being a tighter spread, but 10 coins being a wider spread, giving you some opportunity to, bat, 3 out of 10, 2 out of 10. Who knows? You get the right one, you hit that home run. It doesn't matter how much you invested, because that's going to be your ticket. Easy 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x. And if you get really lucky and you pick the right crypto, you'll see a 50, 100x, some of those big crazy gains. And there are projects that will do stupid silly gains. All right, guys. All right, so that's Cardano, ADA. Do believe this project is I think a little bit overdue for an explosion. So I'm really bullish on Cardano. XRP, HBAR, Cardano. What's number 4? Here we go. All right, guys, I think that AI is going to be our next narrative going into this next bull run. AI has just kind of been it's actually been paving its way. I mean, it's everywhere on YouTube. I mean, you can't go anywhere on YouTube without even getting an ad that doesn't mention something about AI. AI is very profitable. I think this is going to be one of the huge narratives going into 2025. I'm very bullish on some AI tokens, but one that I highly recommend to add to a portfolio is Render token. That's ticker symbol RNDR. So right now, current price is sitting at $2.48 on the day. Market cap $910 million. So you got to understand where this thing is sitting. I mean, this thing's got a lot of room to run. I mean, tons of room to run. 24-hour volume, 122 million into it. I mean, come on, our 24-hour volume is not too far off from where our market cap's sitting at. So you know where this coin is going. So your total supply is 530 million. 530 million. Come on, this thing, once you start to see this total supply drop down, this price is going to just skyrocket. So on the daily, you've seen a little bit of pump up coming from $2.40 up to about $2.60, back down to about $2.40. So it's kind of it's following what the market's doing. So that means it's got pretty solid. XRP's running up slightly. HBAR is kind of doing the same thing with that sideways trading. Cardano doing the sideways trading. So again, Render. This is an AI narrative token. There's a lot of utility behind this token. So make sure you guys jump into the news, kind of look this up, see what's going on with it. And I'm here just to bring you what I got sitting in my portfolio, but I could talk about them all day, but I don't want to keep you guys here all night or all morning, wherever you're at. So let's look at the all-time highs. Coin came out roughly in about 2020. We've seen a little bit of action in 2021. This thing actually pumped significantly in a bear market, because everybody knows that we've had pumps going on for only certain projects in this bear market. But if we go back to the all-time high in the 2021 bull run, we're looking at a price of $7.79. I believe with the narrative that this will double. That's just that's where I'm at. So I do believe this is going to be a solid 10x project, and I'm giving you guys 10x projects. But you know what? To be honest with you, with the market cap of $900 million, if this thing flips to a couple $1 billion, we'll be sitting pretty. So Render AI token. This is one that I have in my portfolio and dollar cost averaging into. Hoping to get at least a couple grand sitting on this token before we hit that bull run. All right, guys. So my next is gonna be a little bit of a curveball for you guys. So this would be my coin number 5. All right, coin number 5. Hope you guys are still awake. Love you guys. Hold on, stay awake, stay with me. One more coin, okay? Can you smell the rose? What are we talking about here? Oasis Network sitting at 0.5 cents on the daily. Market cap sitting at 305 million. 11 million in the 24-hour volume. What the hell is this? Okay, this is a token coming out of China. Why would I go after a Chinese token? Well, I'm going to tell you what. So China has, I guess, I don't know per se, and I'm not a politician, right? I just hear what's going on. I'm not a nerd. I don't geek out and listen to the news, and I just do the best that I can with the information that I get. But anyway, so there's going to be an influx of money to Chinese government that's going to be issued out to the residents, and this is one of the biggest projects that they're pushing, and this is Oasis Network. And I believe that, you know, just like every country has an ecosystem, right? I'm pushing to say that XRP is a United States token, but you know, it just sucks because the United States is just struggling to understand what's going on, how much we love crypto, so we got to fight for it. But anyway, so the best thing to do is set up an ecosystem, right? So the way that you invest or you set up your portfolio should be based on, the way I look at it is like I have 5 countries, right? I have United States, I have Germany, I have, just in your mind, pick coins that are ecosystems that could actually say, hey, I'm investing this into this government, this into this government, and whichever government is the strongest will give me the best gains, right? Then we sell out and we wash, rinse, and repeat, and we find some new countries to go into. All right, that was a dumb analogy. Hope you guys liked it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving, sharing. I'm off the top. My content is raw. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just speaking my mind and giving you my opinion on it. So Oasis Network, I think this is going to be a great project, especially with the money that's going to be coming into this project. We look at our all-time high. So 2022, obviously in a bear market, this thing has pumped, looking at a price of 0.56. So this project right here, if I'm looking at it correctly, right now we're in some sideways capitulation. This is good. I know you guys are like, what the hell? No, this is good right here. This is where you build your strength in the project, right? So looking at the all-time high, sitting sub roughly doing the same thing as HBAR, doing the same thing as Cardano. Cardano may have got a bigger pump, but I believe these projects right here that are sitting on these 5-cent zones with these lower market caps have huge potential to grow. Imagine how much money would go in. So we have, just look at the total supply. The total supply is about 10 billion Rose tokens. We have 5 billion circulating, so half, 50%. So 50% is already in circulation, and we're sitting at a strong area where you could potentially grow this coin. I would bet that this coin blows that all-time high out the water. I mean, I guarantee you'll see price discovery on this one. And yeah, I'm going to throw that out there. I'll fact check that one. But I do believe this will hit price discovery, meaning this will blow past the all-time high, and it will set a new record, a new all-time high. Definitely with just the attention that it's bringing, the investors, just the retail investors that are going to be jumping into this one, coming out of China and Hong Kong and all that. So looking at it right now, it's at a sideways momentum, but definitely this is one that I would have in my project if I were y'all. But like I said, don't take financial advice. Don't buy, don't sell, don't do any of that dumb shit, because I said so. All right, so that was it. That's my top 5 coins for 2023. Hope you guys enjoy. Well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw this one out there because, I've been chasing this coin for roughly a couple years, but I definitely want to chat about it right now. Sitting at 0.004. This is JASME coin. All right, market cap 218 million 16. No, 218. Yeah, 218 mil. Sorry about that, guys. I ain't got my glasses on. But anyways, JASME project. Let's talk about it real quick. So this project is coming out with some burning mechanisms. I think this one's out of Japan. The project leaders of this are investors. I think they're previous Sony CEOs and stuff like that. So I would take a look at this. JASME coin. This is like a little hidden gem. This is a little gem for you. A little gem for you. All right. So 16 million in volume. Coin sitting at a number 138. Obviously this is scarce, guys, but you gotta remember this thing has came down, it's done some dropping, but what I want you to understand is this project is ready to turn around. There's a lot of great things about this project that's about to come up. Please do your research, jump into this, look, and just dig deep to make yourself have an educated decision on how to invest. But I do believe sitting at an all-time high of $4.29, and that's currently at a 0.004. Come on, guys. If we go back to this all-time high, you do the math. You don't need to be a mathematician or a rocket scientist or Elon Musk to do the math on that one. All right, guys. All right, there it is. I'll conclude this video. Hope you guys loved it. Please like and subscribe. Run my crypto. Remember me, guys. Let me put a smile on your face. And you guys stay blessed. And please do the best to make your portfolios grow in 2024. All right, guys. Much love. Take care. Be blessed.